Unfortunately, clotted cream isn't available at grocery stores outside of the United Kingdom. If you don't live in a country where clotted cream is available, you can make it yourself. The flavor is slightly nutty with a touch of sweetness. To make clotted cream, you only need one ingredient: cream. Measure out 2 cups of cream. In the United Kingdom, you would use double cream, which is about 48% fat. Pour into a large, open, oven-proof dish. In North America, there is no double cream available. We used whipping cream, which is 35% fat. Bake for 12 hours. Remove from the oven. You'll see that a crust has formed at the top. This is perfect. Let cool for at least an hour at room temperature. Cover and refrigerate for at least 8 hours. The clotted cream is the delicious, rich, fatty part on top. The milky liquid underneath can be saved to use in baking. If you like our video, please show us by clicking on the thumbs up. It really does help our channel. Pour the liquid into a bowl and refrigerate. You can use it to make more scones. Scoop the cream into a jar to use right away or to keep for later. Clotted cream is quintessentially English. It's sometimes called Devonshire or Cornish cream. Whatever you call it, this thick cream is delectable. Scones with clotted cream are an essential part of a traditional English high tea, but this rich creamy spread can also be eaten with berries, in mashed potatoes, or with cakes and biscuits. We've put the cream on this scone the Devon way, cream on the bottom and jam on top. The Cornish serve scones with jam on the bottom and cream on top. Can anyone tell us if there's a difference in taste?